Manufacturing processes. Question 1. Which of the following activities or operations is not related to manufacturing? A. Product design and development. B. Inventory control. C. Quality assurance. D. None of the above.
Answer: none of the above.
Question 2. In general, any system that produces useful products or services is called as A. Service system. B. Production system. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: production system.
Question 3. Which of the following is an example of constant mass manufacturing process? A. Rolling. B. Turning. C. Broaching. D. Sawing.
Answer: rolling.
Question 4. Gas welding is a type of A. Constant mass process. B. Material removal process. C. Material addition process. D. None of the above.
Answer: material addition process.
Question 5. Why is the selection of right manufacturing process important? A. To produce the product with least cost. B. To produce the product within reasonable time. C. To produce the product at its best possible quality. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 6. The decision of what parts to be manufactured and what parts to be purchased from market is taken in A. Selection of manufacturing process. B. Process planning. C. Analysis of manufacturing system. D. None of the above.
Answer: process planning.
Question 7. Which of the following is not a method employed for analysis of manufacturing system? A. Statistical techniques. B. Probability models. C. Simulation models. D. Waiting line models.
Answer: probability models.
Question 8. Which of the following production processes is least flexible? A. Job order production. B. Batch or quantity production. C. Mass production. D. None of the above.
Answer: mass production.
Question 9. Blowholes in casting are caused by A. Excessive moisture. B. Low permeability. C. Excessive fine grains. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 10. Open loop control system is A. Less accurate than closed loop control system. B. More accurate than closed loop control system. C. Equally accurate to closed-loop control system. D. Cannot say.
Answer. Less accurate than closed-loop control system.
Question 11. What is a disadvantage of automatic control system? A. It reduces effects of nonlinearities. B. It reduces effects of distortions. C. It has a tendency to overcorrect errors. D. None of the above.
Answer. It has a tendency to overcorrect errors.
Question 12. The art of creating industrial relations of any kind, like relation between employers and employees, is called as A. Organization. B. Administration. C. Management. D. None of the above.
Answer. Management.
Question 13. Scientific management is a systematic approach to manage the enterprise on the basis of A. Observation. B. Experimentation. C. Rational decisions. D. All of the above.
Answer. All of the above.
Question 14. The objective of utilization of available plant facilities comes under A. Scheduling techniques of production control. B. Production planning techniques of production control. C. Routing techniques of production control. D. Follow-up techniques of production control.
Answer. Production planning techniques of production control.
Question 15. Mass production means continuous production without loss of time. A. True. B. False.
Answer. True.
Question 16. A model of casting, constructed to use for forming a mold in damp sand, is called as A. Sand construction. B. Pattern. C. Cover. D. None of the above.
Answer. Pattern.
Question 17. Which of the following is not a requirement of a good pattern? A. It should be light in weight to handle easily. B. It should be smooth to make casting surface smooth. C. It should have low strength to break it and to remove casting easily. D. None of the above.
Answer. It should have low strength to break it and to remove casting easily.
Question 18. The patterns which are made in two or more pieces are called as A. Solid patterns. B. Split patterns. C. Loose piece patterns. D. None of the above.
Answer. Split patterns.
Question 19. Permeability can be defined as the property of molding sand. A. To hold sand grains together. B. To allow gases to escape easily from the mold. C. To withstand the heat of melt without showing any sign of softening. D. None of the above.
Answer: to allow gases to escape easily from the mold.
Question 20. The ability of the molding sand to withstand the heat of melt without showing any sign of softening is called as A. Strength or cohesiveness. B. Refractiveness. C. Collapsibility. D. Adhesiveness.
Answer: refractiveness.
Question 21. The sand in its natural or moist state is called as A. Green sand. B. Loam sand. C. Dry sand. D. None of the above.
Answer: green sand.
Question 22. What is the highest possible percentage of clay contents in loam sand? A. 10. B. 20. C. 30. D. 50.
Answer: 50.
Question 23. Which of the following sentences are correct for casting process? A. Casting process is comparatively costly. B. Objects of large sizes cannot be produced easily by casting process. C. The time required for the process of making casting is quite long. D. All of the above sentences are correct.
Answer: the time required for the process of making casting is quite long.
Question 24. The productivity of casting process is comparatively A. Lower than the productivity of other automatic processes like rolling. B. Higher than the productivity of other automatic processes like rolling. C. Similar to the productivity of other automatic processes like rolling. D. Unpredictable.
Answer: lower than the productivity of other automatic processes like rolling.
Question 25. Which casting process has no size and shape limits? A. Sand casting. B. Shell mold casting. C. Plaster mold casting. D. None of the above.
Answer: sand casting.
Question 26. Mechanical working processes are performed on metals. A. To achieve optimum mechanical properties in the metal. B. To improve the mechanical strength of the metal. C. To make metal dense. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 27. Hot working process is the plastic deformation of metal which is carried out A. At temperature below the recrystallization temperature. B. At temperature above the recrystallization temperature. C. At temperature equals to boiling point of water. D. None of the above.
Answer: at temperature above the recrystallization temperature.
Question 28. Which of the following statements are correct for plastic? 1. Plastic is a non-metallic material that can be molded to any shape. 2. Plastic is a natural or synthetic resin. 3. Plastic is of organic nature composed of hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. A. Only statements 1 and 2 correct, statement 3 is wrong. B. Only statements 1 and 3 correct, statement 2 is wrong. C. Only statements 2 and 3 correct, statement 1 is wrong. D. All of above statements 1, 2 and 3 are correct.
Answer: all of above statements 1, 2 and 3 are correct.
Question 29. The plastic switch soften when heat is applied with or without pressure, but requires cooling to set them to shape are called as A. Thermosofting materials. B. Thermosetting materials. C. Thermoplastic materials. D. Thermostating materials.
Answer: thermoplastic materials.
Question 30. In resistance electric welding, the current passed through two joining metal pieces is A. 230 to 440 volts, at a high amperage. B. 230 to 440 volts, at a low amperage. C. 2 to 8 volts, at a high amperage. D. 2 to 8 volts, at a low amperage.
Answer: 2 to 8 volts, at a high amperage.
Question 31. As compared to the arc welding, the gas welding takes A. Considerably less time for the metal to heat up. B. Considerably more time for the metal to heat up. C. Approximately same time for the metal to heat up as arc welding. D. Unpredictable.
Answer: considerably more time for the metal to heat up.
Question 32. Good surface finish and better dimensional accuracy can be achieved in A. Cold working process. B. Hot working process. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: cold working process.
Question 33. Which of the following are the cold working processes? 1. Forging. 2. Bending. 3. Squeezing. 4. Pipe welding. 5. Drawing. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2, 3 and 5. C. 2, 4 and 5. D. 1, 2, 3 and 5.
Answer: 2, 3 and 5.
Question 34. The process of joining two pieces of metal with a different fusible metal applied in a molten state is called as A. Welding. B. Soldering. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: soldering.
Question 35. Which of the following statements are true for welding process? A. General welding equipments are very costly. B. Welding results in residual stresses and distortion of workpiece. C. Two dissimilar metals cannot be joined by welding. D. All of the above.
Answer: welding results in residual stresses and distortion of workpiece.
Question 36. Thermosetting materials are A. The plastic switch can be softened even after they have set and hardened. B. The plastics which require heat and pressure to mold them into shape. C. Both A and B. D. D. None of the above.
Answer: the plastics which require heat and pressure to mold them into shape.
Question 37. Which plastic materials contain strong cross-linkings in their molecular structure? A. Thermoplastic materials. B. Thermosetting materials. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: thermosetting materials.
Question 38. Worm working or semi-hot working process, which is the plastic deformation of metal or alloy under conditions of temperature and strain rate, is performed to eliminate drawbacks of A. Cold working process. B. Hot working process. C. Both cold and hot working processes. D. None of the above.
Answer: both cold and hot working processes.
Question 39. The volume of metal that enters the rolling stand. A. Should increase after rolling process. B. Should decrease after rolling process. C. Should remain same after rolling process. D. Unpredictable.
Answer: should remain same after rolling process.
Question 40. The metal joint is never brought to a molten stage in A. Pressure welding. B. Fusion welding. C. Thermit welding. D. None of the above.
Answer: pressure welding.
Question 41. Which of the following is an example of fusion welding? A. Atomic hydrogen welding. B. Flash welding. C. Seam welding. D. Spot welding.
Answer: atomic hydrogen welding.
Question 42. Which of the following is an example of thermoplastic material? A. Camera bodies. B. Automobile parts. C. Electric plugs. D. Electric insulation.
Answer: electric insulation.
Question 43. Which of the following characteristics does not affect the properties of plastics? A. Their molecular structure. B. Their degree of polymerization. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: none of the above.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.